Hello, good morning, students. Myself, Pawar MS from KJ Somaya College, Kopargaon. Today, we are going to discuss our CHO 150, that is a organic chemistry for MSc first year. Okay, so today we are going to teach you our first chapter, that is a structure, stability, and reaction of reactive intermediate. In previous lecture, we can discuss the syllabus related to the 150, that is a section second. So in that reaction of reactive intermediate, so many reactive intermediate, that is a carbocation, carbanion, free radical, nitrine, or a carbene. These are the some reactive intermediate. So in that we can today we can discuss the first first reactive intermediate, that is a carbocation. Okay, so students, you know the very well what is the carbocation. Okay, so carbocation is also called as the carbanion ion. So carbocation, it is also called as the carbanion ion. So see here, in the name of this carbocation, carbo means carbon atom, and cations means positive charge. Okay, cations mean positive charge. So what is the carbocation? The organic species which contain the positive charge over the carbon atom, that is a carbocation. So carbocation also called as the carbanion ion. So first of all, introduction of carbocation. The species which contain the positive charge over the carbon atom, which called as the carbocation. See here, for example, this is the methyl carbocation. Other example, ethyl ethyl carbocation. This is the carbocation, this is the carbocation. Okay, again, isopropyl isopropyl carbocation. These are the examples of carbocation or introduction related to the carbocation. Then in next one we can discuss the formation of carbocation. So next one is formation of carbocation. Simply you know the what is the carbocation? The positive charge species which is called as the carbocation, or positive charge over the carbon atom which called as the carbocation or carbanion ion. Then how the formation of carbocation? How the formation of carbocation? So the covalent bond which broken by the heterolytically cleavage, the formation of the carbocation. The carbocation formation only and only by the heterolytically cleavage. So you know the bond breaking by the two ways, by the homolytically cleavage or heterolytically cleavage. Okay, but the formation of carbocation can be formed by using the heterolytically cleavage. The covalent bond can be broken by heterolytically cleavage, then formation of the carbocation. Okay, so see here, for example, this is the methyl chloride. Okay, so this carbon and chlorine can formation of the covalent bond. This carbon and this chlorine having the covalent bond, a presence of the two electrons for formation of the carbon and chlorine bond. Okay, so this bond can be broken by heterolytically cleavage. Okay, so formation of the carbocation by covalent bond can be broken by cleavage heterolytic cleavage, then formation of the carbocation. See here, formation of the carbocation and Cl minus. Okay, the formation of the carbocation by heterolytically cleavage. Then for example, ethyl alcohol CH2OH, this is also cleavage by heterolytically. This covalent bond can be broken by heterolytically, then formation of the carbocation plus hydroxyl OH minus. Okay, this is related to the formation of the carbocation. Okay, you can understand how the formation of carbocation. Then next topic is features of carbocation or some characteristics of the carbocation. So we can discuss the step by step. First of all, the introduction, then formation of carbocation. Then third one is features of carbocation. Carbocation is a ion. Okay, that's why it is highly unstable. First of all, it is an ion that is very or highly unstable. Carbocation is an ion that is very highly unstable. They have the electron deficiency due to what? Electron deficient due to what? The 6 electrons in valence shell. That's why it is a electron deficient, and its seek of electron complete to octet, and it's very reactive. Electron deficient, the electron in valence electron, that is a 6 electron in valence shell. That's why it does not complete its octet. When completes the octet, it needs to the 2 electrons for complete its octets. Okay, it is carbocation having the electron deficient species. That's why it's incomplete its octet. That's why it is highly reactive. Okay, in valence shell only 6 electrons can be present. That's why it's highly reactive. Okay, then third one is a important features of carbocation, that is a hybridization. So carbocation having the sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. And fourth one is the geometry of carbocation, that is a trigonal planar. So the hybridization of the hybridization of the carbocation is a sp2. Okay, how the hybridization of carbocation sp2? See here, in carbon having valence shell, the electronic configuration, that is a 1s2 2s2 2p2. Okay, in valence shell, the carbon having the 4 electrons. Okay, 2s2 2p2. Okay, then carbon having undergo in the cation stage, so carbocation form, then formation of the 2s2 2p1. Okay, then here the 2s2, and this is the p orbital. Okay, in p orbital here, presence of one electron, and this is the second electron. Okay, this is the configuration of carbon having in valence shell, that is a 4 electron, 2s2 2p 2p2. Okay, in see here, carbocation having the 2s2 carbon having the 2p2 and carbocation having the 2s2 2p1. Okay, so this is the ground state. See here configuration 2s2, then p orbital having 3 2p1. Okay, here 2s2 and 2p1. Okay, this is the p orbital, this is the s orbital. Okay, in excited state this one electron can occupy in this p orbital, or this electron shifts into this p orbital. So formation of the one here one electron shifts on this p orbital, so formation of this excited state. Okay, so the s orbital having the one electron and p orbital having the two electron, and one z orbital can be vacant in carbocation state. So one s orbital and two p orbital, that's why its hybridization is sp2 hybridization. And this hybridization can show the trigonal planar geometry. Why? Because of, for example, this is the carbocation, here hydrogen, here hydrogen, and here hydrogen. This is the carbocation. Okay, so here presence of the vacant p orbital. Okay, this is the vacant p orbital, that's why this bond can this three bond, this hydrogen in the one plane, and this orbital having the vacant p orbital, that's why this carbocation having the trigonal planar geometry. So this is related to the features of carbocation. The carbocation having the ion species, that's why highly unstable and highly reactive species. Carbocation having the sp2 hybridization, this is the important thing for the carbocation related to the, and due to what, the sp2 hybridization, the geometry of the carbocation is a trigonal planar. Then next topic is the stability of the carbocation or factors affecting the stability of carbocation. Carbocation, there are three factors, that is a inductive effect, then second one is resonance effect or hyperconjugation, and then third one is a resonance effect. These three factors can affecting the stability of carbocation. The first of all we can discuss the example. For example, we can take the tertiary carbocation. Then second one example, tertiary carbocation, then secondary carbocation, then primary carbocation, then methyl carbocation. See here, these examples for the factor discuss here. This is the tertiary carbocation, this is the secondary carbocation, this is the primary carbocation, this is the methyl carbocation. Okay, see here presence of the three alkyl groups, here presence of the two alkyl group, and here presence of the one alkyl group, and here no any alkyl group can be present. Okay, so stability of the carbocation is tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation is more stable than primary, and primary is more stable than the methyl carbocation. Why? In primary carbocation, here donate the 3 alkyl groups for the stabilization of carbocation. In stability of carbocation, one thing can be remembered very well, that is a charge and stability are opposite to each other, are opposite to each other. This thing is very well remembered. Charge and stability are opposite to each other. Okay, for the stability, charge magnitude is increases, the stability is increases, or charge magnitude is increases, stability have is decreases. This is the vice versa relation. Charge and stability having the opposite each other. The magnitude of the charge can be increases, the stability of the carbocation is less. Then charge magnitude of the carbocation is less, then increases the stability of carbocation. Okay, so see here 3 alkyl group can donates the plus I effect, that is a inductive effect. This alkyl group can donate the electron to the this carbocation. The magnitude of the carbocation can be less and increase the stability of carbocation. Okay, see here one thing remember about. Okay, here see again, this carbocation, this carbon having the 3 alkyl group, that is a R and R. This 3 alkyl group can donate the plus I inductive effect. So it's donates the electron to this carbocation. The magnitude of this carbocation can be less, and that's why increase the stability of carbocation. See here, okay, here 3 alkyl group can be donates the electron for stabilization of carbocation. Here two two alkyl group can be donates for the stabilization of carbocation, and here only one R group can be donates for stabilization of carbocation. So one thing remember, number of alkyl groups can be increases in carbocation, the stability of that carbocation can be increases. Number of alkyl group increases, stability of carbocation can be also increase. Okay, so the stability of the carbocation, see here, tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation. The secondary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation. Primary carbocation is stable than methyl carbocation. Okay, the see here the factors affecting the stability of carbocation: inductive effect, hyperconjugation, or resonance effect. Okay, in this example we can discuss the inductive effect. Okay, this electron can be donated for stabilization of carbocation. Then again increases the alkyl group in carbocation, the neutralization of positive charge, and increases the stability. Okay, this thing also remember, increases the alkyl group, then neutralize the positive charge. We will discuss first of all. Okay, increases the alkyl group, neutralize the positive charge over the carbon atom, and increases the stability of that carbon atom. Okay, or this carbocation. This is the related to the factors affecting stability of carbocation. Next one we can discuss the benzylic and allylic carbocation. Benzylic and allylic carbocation. See here example. CS2 carbocation. This is the benzylic carbocation, and allylic carbocation, that is the This is the allylic carbocation. Sorry. This is the benzylic carbocation. This is the allylic carbocation. Okay. So in benzylic carbocation, see here having the resonating structure CS2. This pi bond having the resonance. Okay. The shifts here, shifts here, shifts here. This benzylic carbocation can be in resonance. Okay. So this bond can be shifts. So here formation of the carbocation. Then again this bond can be shifts. The resonance takes place in this way. CS2 again this bond can be, or this bond can be shifts, formation of in this way CS2, sorry, positive charge, here positive charge, here again presence of positive charge, here again presence of positive charge. This is the resonating structure. The resonating structure can be indicated by double head arrow. So this is the three resonating structure for the benzylic carbocation, and here this bond can be shifts here. There again resonance structure, only one resonance structure here, CS2 CS double bond CS2. So this is the resonating structure of allylic carbocation. Okay, here in this benzylic carbocation and allylic carbocation, the benzylic carbocation is more stable than allylic carbocation, because what, the benzylic carbocation can show the three resonating structure, and allylic carbocation can be shows only one resonating structure. So the stability of benzylic carbocation is more stable than allylic carbocation. So the charge having distributing, then stability increases. Okay, the benzylic carbocation having any one other example or derivative of benzylic carbocation again discuss here. So benzylic carbocation is more stable because what, the benzylic carbocation having the three resonating structure and allylic carbocation having the only one resonating structure. So number of resonating structure increases, the stability of that carbocation can be increased. Some examples of the benzylic carbocation derivative: carbocation derivative discuss here. Some examples: CS2 plus, then NO2 carbocation, here hydroxyl group. This is the some derivative related to the benzylic carbocation. Okay, we can discuss the stability order of the benzylic carbocation derivative. Okay, so this is the benzylic carbocation. This benzylic carbocation can be substituted by EnO2. This benzylic carbocation can be substituted by OH, and this benzylic carbocation can be substituted by the CSC, that is a methyl group. Okay, we can take here the numbering of the structure. First structure, here the second structure, here the third structure, and this one the fourth structure. Okay, this is simply benzylic carbocation. Okay, the carbocation is first, it decreases the stability of carbocation as compared to this and this. See here, this second structure, this NO2 group can be electron withdrawing group. Okay, this is the electron withdrawing group. So this carbocation can be electron withdrawing. This NO2 group can be electron withdraw for this carbocation. Here presence of the hydroxyl group, this donates the electron to the carbocation, and this methyl group also the electron donating group. Okay, this is also the electron donating group. This is also the electron donating group. So this is also donates the electron to the carbocation, stabilization of carbocation. And here this NO2 can be withdraw the electron to the stabilization of carbocation, or NO2 can withdraw the electron. Here in these two cases, this hydroxyl group can be donate also the stabilization of carbocation, and this methyl group also the donates the stabilization for the carbocation. Okay, the stability order see here, first, second, third and fourth. Okay, this first can be benzylic carbocation. Okay, so benzylic carbocation, this one the benzylic carbocation substituted by the NO2 group. Okay, so in these two structures, the second is the stability order, that is the second one is a less stable than first, because of here no any derivative first substitute. This is the as it is benzylic carbocation, here electron density can be decreases here. Okay, stabilization for the carbocation, so this one can be less stable than first one. Okay, so first one can be less stable than fourth one, and this one can be more stable than this one. So see here the stability order of benzylic carbocation derivative. Okay, this is also related to the carbocation derivative in also the benzylic carbocation, also the isopropyl carbocation. The stability of carbocation of the isopropyl carbocation. See here the structure of isopropyl methyl carbocation. This is the structure of or example of methyl isopropyl carbocation. And this is the example of other benzylic carbocation. Okay, so this bond shifts here, or this bond shifts here, formation of CS2 positive charge, this structure or positive charge, this having the resonating structure, and this is the benzylic carbocation. So isopropyl carbocation is more stable than benzylic carbocation, or any carbocation, the isopropyl carbocation also the most stable. Any one carbocation can be taken, we will can taken the most stable carbocation in isopropyl carbocation. Okay, so in carbocation the different factors can be affect the dancing effect can be presence in isopropyl methyl carbocation, and in benzylic carbocation the resonating or resonance effect can be formed. So in benzylic and isopropyl carbocation, the isopropyl carbocation is very stable than benzylic carbocation. Because of the presence of the different dancing effect. So the stability order of carbocation, first of all, isopropyl methyl carbocation is more stable than, sorry, here we can write the in structure, this is the isopropyl carbocation is more stable than aryl carbocation. This is more stable than benzylic carbocation, and then this benzylic carbocation is more stable than allylic carbocation. Allylic carbocation is more stable than tertiary carbocation. Tertiary carbocation is more stable than 2 degree, or secondary carbocation is more stable than primary primary carbocation. Then primary can stable than methyl carbocation, and methyl carbocation is more stable than vinylic carbocation. This is the stability order of the carbocation. Okay, anywhere we can discuss the stability of carbocation. First of all, any carbocation, the isopropyl carbocation is more stable than aryl carbocation. Then benzylic carbocation. Benzylic carbocation is more stable than allylic carbocation. Allylic carbocation is more stable than tertiary carbocation, secondary carbocation, then primary carbocation, then methyl, and then vinyl. This is the stability order for the carbocation. Okay, in today's lecture we are going to discuss the reactive intermediate, that is a carbocation. First of all, we can discuss the what is the carbocation. The organic species which contain the positive charge over the carbon atom, that is a carbocation. Next one, we can discuss the introduction. Then yeah, how the formation of carbocation. Okay, how the formation of carbocation. Any one carbocation can be formed by the covalent bond can be broken by heterolytically cleavage. Then formation of the carbocation. Then third one, we can discuss here the features of carbocation. The carbocation having the ion, that's why is highly unstable. They have the electron deficient carbon atom. For what? Due to in valence shell, that is a 6 electron, it's incomplete, it's octet. So that's why it shows the most thing sp2 hybridization. And then sp2 hybridization, it shows the trigonal planar geometry. By due to how is possible for the sp2 hybridization, I have to discuss the in detail. Ground state, then excited state, then due to the presence of vacant p orbital, so formation of the sp2 hybridization. And due to the sp2 hybridization, the carbocation having the trigonal planar geometry. Okay, then fourth one thing we can discuss the factors affecting the stability of carbocation, that is the inductive effect, hyperconjugation, resonance effect. In next, we can also discuss the step by step benzylic carbocation, then allylic carbocation. In benzylic carbocation can be more stable than allylic carbocation. That's why, because of benzylic alcohol having the 3 resonating structure. So allylic carbocation having the only one resonating structure. Then we can discuss the derivative of benzylic alcohol by substituted by the NO2 benzylic alcohol, sorry, benzylic carbocation substituted by the NO2 or OH or methyl group, all already benzylic carbocation. Then last one, we can discuss the stability order of carbocation. These all things we can discuss in today's lecture. Okay, the next part we can discuss in the next lecture. Thank you very much.